हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द बायोलॉजी क्लास। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग फाइन। हेलो ईश्वरी, सृष्टि, दर्शना, आदिति, प्रतिमा, गेम ब्रेकर today also, and Tanaya is also there, Rushi, Mansi, and Ishwari. Hello Neha. I hope everyone is doing very fine. All right, that's great. ये मेरा दोस्त है। किस दोस्त की बात हो रही है भाई लोग? गौरव। हेलो गौरव, हेलो गोपाल, अदिति, एंड गेम ब्रेकर। अगेन आई फॉरगॉट योर नेम। गेम ब्रेकर, दैट्स योर चैनल, आई नो। आई एम गुड ओम, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ऑल राइट, सो ईश्वरी राइटिंग ये मेरा दोस्त होगा। ओके, व्हाट, किस दोस्त की बात हो रही है ये आज जो आने वाला है? अच्छा, तुम्हारा दोस्त यहीं पे साइड में, जस्ट कैमरा के फोकस से डिफरेंट है, राइट? यहीं पर टंगा हुआ है बेचारा कब से। हेलो आकांक्षा, हेलो थ्री चीयर्स, सपना एंड ईश्वरी। ऑल राइट, so let's start guys. Today we need to cover nerve impulse conduction, some diseases associated with nervous system, and then we'll start endocrine system. Okay, and in your test, tomorrow's test, skeletal system along with muscular system, excretory system, and nervous system. Okay, all these are coming, so be prepared and do tell me about your score. Array, it is there only. You have seen Mr. Skeleton so many times. Okay, in the last I'll show you. Okay, so test में मजा आएगा. Very good. Nowadays Pratima is very enjoying studies. ये देखकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Brilliant. And she is scoring also very good, very well. She regularly tells me about her score. Okay. Not many people are telling about their score. Yes, very good. Brilliant, Pratima. All right. So, neural system, we need to start. And the topic, today's topic is nerve impulse conduction. Nerve impulse conduction. Okay. We all know that without nerve impulse conduction, there will be no response generated by central nervous system. Even the response is also carried in the form of nerve impulse, right? So what is nerve impulse actually? Basically, okay, before that, you must get familiar with these three terms: polarization, depolarization, and repolarization. I hope I have already told you about these three terms when we were studying about heart actually, right? Yes, we have discussed about ECG. तो ECG में मैंने आपको बताया था ये तीनों terms: polarization, depolarization and repolarization. I hope आप सबको याद होगा. All right. So assuming कि आप सबको याद है, मैं थोड़ा सा फिर और बता दूंगा. Don't worry. ये तीनों टर्म्स यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करने वाली है. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो ये तो हो गया प्रायर नॉलेज नर्व इंपल्स कंडक्शन के लिए. नाउ नर्व इंपल्स कंडक्शन होता क्या है? यस ऋषि, व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग ही, हैड, हे. अच्छा, नॉट एन इशू. चलो, all right, so Jayendra has also joined. Very good. Now, nerve impulse conduction is the wave-like movement of depolarized membrane. Okay. Now, depolarized membrane, you must be knowing. Or in simple word, nerve impulse is the flow of charges in a waveform from one point to another. Okay. Acha, yaad hai. That's very good. Very good, Rishi. All right. So nerve impulse conduction, how you will define? It is the way of depolarization from one place to another in a nerve. That is nerve impulse. How it is conducted. So let's discuss. We all know that neurons, they are having a membrane, and that membrane is generally exolemma, we call it exolemma. If I magnify the exolemma like this, okay, this is your exolemma. Further, it is going toward the terminal end. Here, the cell body will be there like this. Okay, so I have just magnified a small part of exolemma. This is your exolemma. On the outer part of exolemma, extracellular fluid is present, right? Extracellular fluid. So this is the outer part, and this is the inner part of neuron. Okay, and in inner part, what is filled? Exoplasm is filled, the cytoplasm of neuron, right? Okay, so in outer, ECF, extracellular fluid, is filled. This ECF is rich in sodium ions. All right, it is rich in sodium ion. Bicarbonate ions are also found. Okay, but we will mainly focus on sodium ion. So this ECF is rich in sodium ions. Listen carefully, otherwise जिनको अभी तक समझ नहीं आया nerve impulse conduction आगे भी नहीं आने वाला. Okay. Now coming to inner, the cytoplasm of neuron, we call it exoplasm, right? Because this is the axon. That's why we are calling it exolemma. It is rich in potassium ion. Potassium ions are more. Sodium ions are also found, but they are in very less quantity. Okay. Along with potassium, chloride ions are also there in exoplasm. Along with chloride ion, some negatively charged proteins are also present in inner side of the axon, all right, or the neuron. Now, so you are, but we will mainly focus here also on the potassium ion. Now, if you compare the overall charge, okay, sodium ions are more outside the membrane. Sodium ions are more as compared to, yes, Hussaina, you're right. Potassium ions are also there, but they are less, more sodium ion. And if you compare sodium and potassium, sodium ions are more in quantity and potassium ion are less in quantity if you compare both. Okay, so